Hello, I'm James Preston and welcome to the Morning Outlook exclusive to Kalkine TV, providing you with all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The ASX is expected to open Wednesday on a positive note, following a very strong session overnight from Wall Street. According to the latest SPI futures, the ASX 200 is likely to open 25 points or 0.35% higher. Yesterday was another strong day for the ASX, buoyed by a rally in materials and energy stocks. The best performing sector was materials, up by 3.3%, and the worst performing sector was information technology, down by 1.3%. Liontown Resources was the best performing stock on the S&P ASX 200, closing 6.3% higher at $1.86 per share. It was followed by shares in AVZ Minerals and BHP Group. The worst performing stock was Atlas Arteria, closing 5.3% lower to trade at $6.60 per share. It was followed by shares in Block and Life 360. As for US markets, Wall Street experienced a Tuesday rally. The Dow Jones rose by 0.74%, the S&P 500 surged by 1.13%, and the Nasdaq was the top performer, rising by 1.95%. European markets were also in the green. London's FTSE 100 rose by 0.46%. The French CAC 40 performed strongly, rising by 1.17%. The German DAX climbed 1.02%, and the Stoxx 600 rose by 0.85%. Asian markets also enjoyed a strong day. Japan's Nikkei rose by 1.48%. China's Shanghai Composite rose by 0.19%. And Hong Kong's Hang Seng was the star performer, rising by 3.15%. Time now for a very quick break before we take a look at the Aussie dollar, commodities and the world of crypto.
Tune in to stay updated while on the move.
We will tell you where the crypto craze has reached,
where the property market is headed next,
what the world is doing to become more environmentally friendly,
apart from tracking the daily market charter.
Be on top of the latest news and announcements
with Kalkine TV.
Welcome back to the Morning Outlook, where we give you all the information you'll need for a successful day of trading. The Aussie dollar has seen further incremental gains throughout the week. After starting the week at 73.99 US cents, one Aussie dollar is now buying 74.74 US cents. Oil prices eased less than 1% on Tuesday as the dollar strengthened. It appeared unlikely that the European Union would pursue an embargo on Russian oil a day after prices jumped 7% and also rose earlier in the session. Brent crude rose 86 cents or 0.6% to US $116.48 a barrel by 1:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. WTI crude fell 34 cents or 0.3% to $111.78. As for the world's favourite yellow metal, gold, the safe haven asset has experienced a further dip. Gold prices fell over 1% to a near one-week low on Tuesday after Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell hinted at big rate hikes this year to fight against soaring inflation, sending Treasury yields higher. Spot gold fell 0.7% to $1,921.73 an ounce, pressured by rising interest rates. And lastly, the past 24 hours has been a strong period for the crypto space. At the time of writing, Bitcoin has risen by more than 3.3% to trade above $42,000 and Ethereum followed suit, jumping by 3% to trade over $3,000 per token. In the past 24 hours, the global crypto market capitalisation has increased by 2.88% and is worth approximately $1.93 trillion. All right, well, that's all for this edition of the Morning Outlook. Have a great day trading and make sure to keep it locked on Kalkine TV for the latest market insights and business news. I'm James Preston, reporting for Kalkine.